Hare Krishna, dear friends and dear devotees. In this video I will show you how to make this kind of Tulasi necklace. It's very simple and looks nice. And also I have some things to tell about the benefits of wearing Tulasi. One of the subscribers, Nando Muduri, sorry for pronouncing your name not so correctly, requested me to make a video on the importance of Tulasi for several times. And after that, just recently I got this message from my counselor talking about only Tulasi. And at the end of this video I will show you the tutorial of how to make this Tulasi necklace. One day one of the Srila Prabhupada's disciples, he broke his Tulasi necklace. He didn't break it purposely, but they broke, so he had to take it out, and he decided he will repair it later in the evening, so now let me complete my works. During the day he met Prabhupada, and Prabhupada immediately asked, "Where is your Tulasi necklace? Where is your Tulasi neck beads?" And he explained that I was busy and it broke. I'm planning to repair it in the evening and wear it back. Then Prabhupada said, "Do you know how dangerous it is not to have Tulasi necklace on your neck, on your body?" Then Prabhupada went through so many explanations. He said that because devotees carry these Tulasi neck beads on their body, on their necks, followers of Yamaraj, Yamadutas, never come closer to people who wear Tulasi in their neck. And also this devotee, Prabhupada's disciple, he writes this article. He quotes many verses from different Puranas explaining what actually Tulasi beads do. So he says in Skanda Purana, destroys greatest of sins. So wearing Tulasi and keeping it touched to your body, it destroys many sins. Shri Hari is always with you. The person who wears Tulasi necklace, Shri Hari is always with you. That's from Garuda Purana. Again from Garuda Purana, you get 1,000,000 times benefit from Punya Karmas, Pitr or Devata Puja. So it is 1,000,000 times benefit. And Yamaraj stays far away. Again Garuda Purana. Gives full protection from bad dreams, accidents, attack by weapons and the Yamadutas. I noticed in my personal life, before I came to Krishna consciousness, I actually a lot of times used to suffer in my dreams. One dream I saw that my father died and I was crying in my dream. I was literally suffering. It was actually real suffering. And I woke up and that was a relief because it was a dream. I used to get such dreams and suffer in my dream a lot, but when I came to Krishna consciousness, suddenly things changed. I don't suffer much in my dreams. Maybe because of this, because we wear Tulasi necklace. The following are some verses from Hari Bhakti Vilas. So these verses are from Hari Bhakti Vilas, what Tulasi means. A person who wears Tulasi neck beads all the time obtains the result of living in Dwarka. There is no need to perform atonement for a person who wears Tulasi neck beads. Factually, he does not become contaminated at any stage in his life. Shri Hari resides in the body of a person whose neck and arms are decorated with ornament made of Tulasi. Just by seeing the Tulasi beads on a person's neck, the Yamadutas flee to a distant place. A person who wanders here and there after putting on Tulasi neck beads has nothing to fear, accident, bad dream or weapons. And then Srila Prabhupada says to that devotee, just as a pet dog has got a collar, similarly we are pet dogs of God. So we have got this collar. And Yamaraj, the Lord of Death, will understand that he, the devotee, is God's dog. He should not be shut down. So devotees, this is a benefit, and actually the benefits are a lot. And also in Hari Bhakti Vilas, recently my husband showed that a person when he dies, when his body is burnt, if in that burning fire, if there was a Tulasi twigs, dried Tulasi twigs, then that person is actually a person who did so many austerities and who pleased the Lord Vishnu. That's why when he dies on the time of fire funeral, she or he will get a chance to be burnt with the Tulasi twig. So that's very powerful. Also, I don't know, I cannot prove if the story was true, really true or not, but recently in Russia, one of the Matajis, she was leaving this world. She had some cancer, severe cancer. She had her husband, but she was leaving this world very young. And when she was lying down on the deathbed at her home, so many devotees were chanting Hare Krishna mantra near her. And suddenly she said, please feed them. She showed the door, other room, little far. And she said, please feed them. They're not able to come here, but please give them prasadam. Then devotees, whom? She's showing someone and nobody's seeing anyone. And then she said, there are Yamadutas there. They came here, but they are not able to come closer to me. So please give them prasadam. So that's an amazing story. I don't know how this is true or not, but some senior devotees in Russia talked about it and they told this like this. Now let's go to the tutorial. And thank you so much, Nando Mudiri, for your question. And hopefully this will help you. And let's go to the tutorial. Hare Krishna.